Now let's create our first page using NextJS. First of all, we can ignore this app.js file, and we can delete the API folder. Also, from the styles folder, we can delete the home module CSS. Now let's look into the index.js file from the pages folder. In this file, there is only standard React component. But to make this more easy, we will delete this index.js file, and we will keep only app.js file. Now so we can get started, we will be creating 3-page. Simple website with a home page, news list page, and news details page. So to create a structure for this pages in Next.js, we will need to create 3 files into the pages folder. The index.js file will be the root page. This root page will be reached when an API request is done to our domain/nothing. Next, we will have news.js file that will be reached when a request reaches our domain/news. The file name will be used as a path. We mentioned this when we discussed about file-based routing. For now, we will have only this 2 pages. And what goes into these files? It goes a standard React component. Let's start with the home page. We will create a component same as for a React application, and we will be using functional components. We will name it home page, and do not forget to export the component so the Next.js is able to find it. And in this home page function, you return JSX code, just as you used to do in React. For example, we will return home tag saying the home page. Of course, we will add more code in this component later on. Let's also create simple component for the news page. And you may be wondering why you do not see any import React from React as you would do in standard React app. That is because NextJS projects have the modern React setup where you can omit this import and it is added behind the scenes. Now, we have some dummy components. Let's start the development server using npm run dev, and when opening localhost 3000 we can see our home page. If we add /news after localhost 3000 we can see the new page. If we inspect the source code, we do not have just an empty skeleton, but we have the actual page content. This is an important difference from a standard React app. The code that we are seeing here is the code sent by the server, and since it is shown, this means that the page is pre-rendered. And because of that, we do not have flickering while waiting for the page. Another advantage is that search engines will also see this content. And this is how we can start using file-based routing. And as we can see from looking to the source code, we are using the built-in server-side rendering without any additional setup. In the next video, we will dig a little bit deeper and let's see what else we can do here. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like my content.